Renato Philogen McKee. I'm a counselor with the Mount Olive SDA Adventurers Club, and we are doing an outreach cleanup campaign in our community. It is part of the requirement of our outreach program. We are doing the Grande Riviere area. We started in the Grande Riviere junction, and we are going towards the Dame Paulette School, where we are camping for the weekend.
Roughly how many students or members do you have today?
So we have about 40 adventurers in this group.
And do you do this very often?
Yes, we do. We try to do it yearly. We have a camp and we do a cleanup campaign, or we visit shut-ins. Last year we cleaned up the Degazo area and Piat, and this year we decided to do the main road. So we started at Grande Riviere and we're going down to Port Saint Louis.
And final question, what are you picking up so far?
We are picking up trash, plastic bottles, paper, wrappers, cups, the normal disposables that persons usually throw out their windows.
We are adventurers. I go out to la play. We are adventurers. We